Guys, welcome back to my Myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Ankara makeup bag, and these are the materials we'll be using. This bridal satin, this African print fabric, this is zipper, scissors. I'll be using a strong gum stay. So guys, for this Ankara makeup bag, the measurement we'll be using will be 18 inches. 18 inches by 10. 18 inches by 10. I've already ironed a strong interfacing on this Ankara fabric. I said 18 inches by 10 inches. So you want to fold your fabric into two equal parts, and when that is done, you want to place a round object on your fabric this way, and you trace it out. So when that is done, we are going to cut this off. So when that is done, you want to open up your bag this way. From this end, you're going to measure 4 inches. That is from the midpoint when you fold your bag. Inches. Then from this point, mark 2 inches. From this point, you also mark 2 inches. So this is where we'll be fixing the handle for this bag. For the handle, this is the satin fabric we'll be using, and I've already ironed interfacing on it. The measurement is 12 inches by 4 inches. So I folded it, and I folded on each other. So you want to go to your machine, you will stitch straight down, and you also stitch straight down. So guys, when that is done, you stitch your handle on this 2 inches mark. So you're going to fold your handle a bit, and you place it here. You're going to stitch like a 4 corner, and you are also going to fold this part, and you are going to stitch here also. So guys, when you are done fixing your handle, it should look like this. And the next thing you want to do is to fold so that you will get the midpoint. You want to fold the bag into 2. So from this end now, we will mark 2 inches. And from this other end, we also mark 2 inches. So from here now, you want to measure . So this is 20 inches. This measurement from this 2 inches to this 2 inches is 20 inches. So this is what I will be cutting out. So guys, this is the 20 inches for the side of the bag, and this is 3 inches, 20 inches by 3 inches, and this other one is still 20 inches by 1 inch. So what you want to do is to bring out your zipper. You want to go to your machine, flip this way. When you stitch it, turn it around and top stitch. You also flip this way, you stitch it, you open it and top stitch on it. So guys, when you are done stitching your zip, you should do like this. So the next thing you want to do is to join this to our bag. Remember this 2 inches I will mark when we're starting the bag. So you turn it to the other side and also mark 2 inches. So this is where we'll be fixing this zipper. So while you are fixing this smaller part, let it be facing the front. This place that is handle, let this smaller part be facing here. So you are going to pull this here, turn it to the other side. So we are going to go and stitch this. Look at that 2 inches mark. So we are going to stitch this straight down, and we're also going to stitch this part straight down. So guys, after stitching, you cut out your excess zip. And the next thing you want to do is to stitch the rest of the bag. So you want to stitch from this point to this point. We are also going to stitch this part from this point to this point. So guys, when you are done stitching your bag, before you turn inside out, you use bias tape to cover your stitches from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. So guys, after using bias tape to cover your stitch, you can now turn the bag inside out. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video and share it to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next tutorial.